Hi everyone. Yes, a lot of weather. More snow, more rain, and more gusty winds for our mountains are expected as we go through tonight into Thursday. This is Alex Tardy, meteorologist with National Weather Service. This area is the excessive rainfall threat tonight through Thursday morning. Yellow shaded, the highest threat of too much rain at once with high rainfall rates on top of saturated conditions. What have we seen recently? This is a look at the precipitation we saw the 27th to 28th with snow up above 4,000 feet. You can see areas received up to around an inch of water along the foothills. Further down in San Diego, it was also snow above 5,500 feet, with those mountains of San Diego County receiving 1 to 2 inches of water. Amounts were much less along the coast and around a half inch in the valleys. Here's an updated look at the percent of average precipitation, how wet it's been since the start of the water year. Remember, November had almost no precipitation, but December has made up for it miraculously. We have amounts now that are 100 to 150% of average, even in Southern California. Mountains of Southern California exceeding 150% of average, or 1.5 times compared to the normal for this time in late December. Much wetter conditions across the rest of California as well. Here's a look at precipitation numbers across California. You can see, look closely, parts of the Sierra Nevada have received over 40 inches of water, a lot of that snow. Even in Southern California, our San Bernardino mountains have now received over 20 inches this month of December alone. Even our coastal areas have received several inches of rain in December. Here's a look at the satellite image. New Pacific storm is now developing, swinging down off the Northern California coast with cold energy coming from the north. Subtropical moisture and the tropical atmospheric river has suppressed well to the south. So the player with this weather system will be the arrow in the middle as that swings through. That system is developing as we speak with westerly flow, and a large warm front will form and is forming now. That'll develop precipitation through tonight. The main storm system will swing through on Thursday and Thursday night. Make sure you check Radar.weather.gov for the latest information to see where the heaviest precipitation is occurring. Overall precipitation amounts will be significant, with the major metro areas receiving between 1 and 3 inches of rain. Mountain areas considerably more. Watch out for the San Diego River. We are expecting significant water rises on the San Diego River between 7 and 9 feet. Check the latest forecast at weather.gov. What is the weather pattern? It's the same weather pattern we've been dealing with. A storm system's coming down out of Canada. It is developing and will situate itself right over the Bight of California, allowing repeated rain and precipitation to move up from the south across Southern California over the next 24 hours as we go through Thursday. Is that our last storm? Well, another storm is expected, more consolidated, larger storm to swing into the Pacific Northwest early January. And between the 2nd and 4th of January, that'll spread widespread precipitation into California. We'll be on the southern edge of this. As you can see, the red line is further north, but still precipitation is expected for Southern California. Are we seeing an atmospheric river end of December, Thursday, December 30th? The short answer is no, but some subtropical moisture will get entrained into that low pressure area that is expected to drift across the California Bight Thursday morning. Total precipitation looks like this. Big rainfall numbers across the coastal slopes, especially the western San Bernardino mountains, where amounts will be in the range of 4 to 6 inches of water. All of that below 4,000 feet will be rain. Above 4,000 feet, major snowfall. Urban areas expect 2 to 3 inches of rain in the Inland Empire and also Orange County. Now for much of San Diego County, a large range of 1 to 3 inches. Here's a look at the snow level. Snow level expected to be between 4,000 and 5,000 feet for the majority of the storm. That means all snow up in our mountain highways such as Running Springs. The precipitation will develop as I speak and continue all the way through Thursday afternoon. The bulk of the precipitation looks to be tonight and Thursday morning. Check Weather.gov for the latest watches, warnings, and advisories. Currently in effect is a winter storm warning for all of our mountains. Major snowfall above 5,000 feet with high winds accompanying that snow. We also have a flood watch in effect for excessive rainfall. That means too much rain at once, high rainfall rates that could cause urban flooding and also impact burn scars such as the bonfire. Check the latest information at weather.gov. Some of the highlights are listed here, including the major snowfall above 6,000 feet. That's snow level around 4,500 feet. And don't forget, significant rainfall for our coastal cities, urban areas along the coast, valleys, and foothills. The snow level will be as low as 4,000 feet, but it will rise to 5,500 feet on Thursday. Widespread precipitation of 1 to 3 inches in cities with 2 to 5 inches along the coastal slopes. We could have some rainfall rates that exceed a half inch along coastal and valley communities. Overall, the light to moderate rainfall will be over a long period from this afternoon all the way through Thursday. You can monitor the latest wind, rain, and temperature conditions at the links shown here, or check our latest images posted on Facebook and Twitter. Stay safe, everyone. Check the latest alerts at weather.gov.